Hello everyone, good day to all of you. I'm back today with a viral recipe which is trending these days. Pinwheel toast or pinwheel cheese toast. Some also call it flour toast. So you can make plain toast or cheese toast in this way. It's really very beautiful way of serving a toast. But remember, for this you have to buy very fresh bread. You get it the day you are making it, because if the bread is stale, the edges will not bend and they'll break. That will not work. So, shall we get started and make this trending recipe? Here are the ingredients. We'll take some bread as required. Make sure the bread slices are very nice and soft. Some grated cheese, chili flakes as needed, pizza seasoning about 1 teaspoon, and butter as needed. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now first take the bread and make slits on the edges, tapering towards the end as shown here. Little thicker on top and thinner towards the bottom. Carefully cut out like this. Same way, repeat the same on as many slices as required. If the bread is not fresh, it will not work. The edges will be hard and they'll break while folding. So plan it ahead and get fresh bread the day you are making this. Now this is done. Let's start assembling. First we are going to spread some butter on the slices. If you wish, you can mix the herbs or seasonings in the butter and spread. Whatever way is easier for you. I like spreading this and then sprinkling the seasoning on top. Now I'm going to sprinkle little pizza seasoning. If you want, you can use any mixed herbs, fresh or dried, whatever you like. Option is yours. Now start folding the edges, overlapping them like a pinwheel. And the last one has to be tucked into the first one. Look at this, how beautiful. Same way, you repeat the same with the second slice. Very careful, be very gentle in handling the slice. Now you can sprinkle some cheese on it. Anywhere you find empty space, you can put some cheese. A nice and different way to enjoy your cheese toast. On top, sprinkle some chili flakes. If you wish, you can even garnish with some colorful bell peppers or coriander. Now, bake these in a preheated oven until done. It takes about, say, 7 to 10 minutes depending on the size and type of the oven you are using. Just keep a check. Wow, don't these look awesome? So friends, give them a try, make and enjoy this fancy cheese toast for your breakfast or evening tea as well. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I keep sharing all these homely recipes that you are surely going to enjoy. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Thanks for watching and check out these videos from the archives as well. You might like them too. Take care. Bye until next.